Beneath the surface of Mexico's ancient lakes lives one of nature's strangest wonders, a smiling, frilly-gilled creature with an unbelievable power, the axolotl. While most animals scar and struggle to heal, the axolotl can regenerate entire limbs, organs, and even parts of its brain and spinal cord. But how does this tiny amphibian unlock the kind of healing power we only see in comic books? What secrets lie in their cells and DNA? And could unlocking its secrets help humans heal like never before? In this video, we'll explore the incredible science behind the axolotl's regenerative abilities, uncover how its unique biology is rewriting what we thought was possible in medicine, and discover how this smiling salamander could one day help humans heal themselves, limb by limb, cell by cell. The axolotl is one of nature's most extraordinary creatures, often described as a real-life Pokémon. Physically, it's instantly recognizable. Its wide, flat head features lidless eyes and a fixed, almost cartoonish smile. Branching out from each side of its head are three feathery external gills, which give it a distinct, fringed appearance and allow it to breathe underwater. Its soft, smooth skin ranges in color from wild-type mottled brown to pale pink, albino, or even golden, depending on genetic variation. Measuring about 15 to 30 centimeters in length, axolotls have underdeveloped legs with slender toes, contributing to their permanently youthful look. This is due to a rare biological condition known as neoteny, where the animal retains its larval features throughout its entire life. While most amphibians go through metamorphosis to adapt to life on land, the axolotl remains aquatic and gilled, never completing that transformation unless forced under extreme conditions. Beyond its interesting and adorable features, the axolotl also possesses one of the most amazing superpowers: the ability to regenerate. While most animals, including us humans, struggle to heal even minor injuries without leaving scars, the axolotl can lose a leg, break its spine, or even damage its heart or brain, and it grows them back completely, with no scars and no loss of function. And the best part of it is that it can do this over and over again throughout its life, and still always getting it right. So, how does it work? The magic all begins at the injury site, where a special group of cells called a blastema forms. These cells are like tiny biological builders. They're incredibly versatile and can turn into whatever type of tissue is needed to fix the injury. Whether it's skin, muscle, bone, or nerves, the blastema cells work like a team of living Lego bricks, snapping together and rebuilding exactly what was lost. The body part regrows seamlessly, as if the injury never happened. What's even more mind-blowing is that unlike humans, who can only regenerate small amounts of tissue, like liver cells or skin, the axolotl is capable of growing back full limbs, organs, and even complex structures like its spinal cord or brain. This level of regeneration is something humans can only dream of. So, what's really going on behind the axolotl's regeneration magic? It all comes down to a fascinating combination of genetics, stem cells, and a surprisingly chill immune system. When an axolotl is injured, it doesn't just patch up the wound. It goes into full-on rebuild mode, reactivating a set of ancient genes that most animals, including humans, switch off after birth. These genes, like PAX7 and TP53, are key players in safely directing the growth of new tissue, making sure that everything, bone, muscle, nerves, forms exactly the way it should. Even more impressive is how axolotls manage this without running into problems like tumors or disorganized growth. Part of that secret lies in their immune system. Unlike ours, which tends to go into overdrive and create scarring, the axolotl's immune response is calm and controlled. It clears away damaged cells and bacteria just enough to keep the area clean, but not so aggressively that it interferes with the healing process. This perfectly balanced response creates the ideal environment for regeneration to happen smoothly and scar-free. It's a beautiful example of how evolution fine-tuned a system that's not just about survival, but about rebuilding from scratch, over and over again. The axolotl's incredible healing powers are inspiring groundbreaking research in regenerative medicine, a field that could one day revolutionize how humans recover from injuries and disease. Scientists are studying the axolotl's unique genes and regeneration process in hopes of applying them to human health, using similar biological mechanisms to regrow tissues after spinal cord injuries, heart attacks, or even the loss of limbs. While human biology is far more complex and our immune systems often interfere by creating scar tissue, modern tools like CRISPR gene editing are beginning to unlock the regeneration code. These advancements are helping researchers reactivate dormant genetic pathways that humans share with regenerative species like axolotls. Although challenges remain, each discovery brings us closer to a future where regrowing a damaged organ or a lost limb is not just a dream, but a medical reality. The axolotl is no longer just a scientific curiosity, it's becoming a powerful symbol of what may soon be possible in human healing. The axolotl is more than just a fascinating creature. It's a living testament to the incredible possibilities of nature and science coming together. With its ability to regrow limbs, repair organs, and heal without scars, this tiny amphibian offers a glimpse into the future of medicine. As researchers continue to explore its unique biology, we edge closer to breakthroughs that could change how we treat injuries, diseases, and age-related conditions, potentially revolutionizing human healing. However, the axolotl's incredible powers are under threat. Wild populations are critically endangered due to pollution, invasive species, and habitat loss in Mexico. If we don't act to conserve them, we risk losing not just this rare species but the very blueprint for the future of human regeneration. By saving the axolotl, we're not just preserving biodiversity, we're protecting the foundation for a future where human bodies might heal and regenerate like never before. Thanks for exploring the unbelievable regeneration superpowers of the axolotl with us. If you enjoyed exploring interesting stories with us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. What topics do you want us to dive into next? Let us know in the comments. Join us as we get animated about science here at Animated Science.